all know that life insurance is designed to protect our future. But wait, does your life insurance reward your today as well? Or are you just paying a premium for the future every year? Well, here is a win-win solution. A life insurance that covers your today as well as your tomorrow. IGI Life Vitality, a wellness program that not only encourages you to adopt a healthy lifestyle but also rewards you for it. With IGI Life Vitality, you get insights on your current health status, are given personalized targets to improve your health, and earn attractive rewards for living healthier. All using a smartphone and an optional wearable device. So how does it work? 3, 2, 1, start. Let's take the example of our customer Ali, who is 35 years old. Ali is interested in a life insurance that protects his family and rewards him for living healthy. He contacts IGI Life via the helpline 111 111 711. Ali signs up for the IGI Life Vitality Future Smart Plan and receives his welcome kit. He downloads the IGI Life Vitality app, completes his registration, and purchases an optional discounted Samsung Galaxy Watch to measure all his physical activity. Ali starts off at bronze status. He completes his online medical assessments and earns points for filling out the questionnaires. Vitality Health Review, 1000 points. Vitality Nutrition Assessment, 500 points. Vitality Health Objects, 1250 points. Each 2500 additional points for being within the healthy range for each of the 4 measures. 10,000 points in total. So far, Ali has earned 15,000 points for the Vitality Health Check. Non-Smoker's Declaration, 1,000 points. Ali has now achieved silver status with a total of 17,500 points. Based upon his results, Ali's vitality age comes out to be 33 years. Ali now receives personalized weekly physical activity targets on his Vitality app and begins his physical activity regime. Ali meets his weekly physical activity target and gets to choose between the available active rewards, a 50% discounted movie ticket from Easy Tickets, or a 500 rupee discount voucher from Food Panda. Ali chooses and redeems the Easy Ticket discount voucher and enjoys a movie with his friends at the cinema for half price. In week 2, he achieves his weekly target again and this time opts for a Food Panda voucher to order a discounted healthy meal. Having achieved his monthly target by the end of the month, Ali receives the cashback on his Samsung Galaxy Watch. Ali stays active, maintains a healthy routine for 5 months and accumulates 20,000 points and reaches gold status. By the end of the year, Ali earns 30,000 points in total and achieves platinum status. Based on his platinum status, Ali accrues a percentage of his premium as the annual integrated benefit. Ali finishes the year 7 kilograms lighter with a reduced vitality age of 30. At the end of 2 years, Ali has constantly met his monthly target and therefore has earned 100% cashback on his Samsung Galaxy Watch. He is now also eligible to get a new Samsung Watch through the program, on which he will continue to earn cashback over the next 24 months. On his 5th IGI Life Vitality Policy Anniversary, each year's accrued integrated benefit amount is credited to the cash value of Ali's policy. By now, because he has always achieved his targets, he has also earned cashback on 2 Samsung watches and is now enjoying his 3rd one. If Ali's story inspires you, sign up today and start your journey towards getting healthier and earning attractive rewards every week, every month, every year. IGI Life Vitality. Rewarding life every day. UAN 021 111 111 711.